Hey everybody, it's Lon.TV, and the folks from LaCie sent along their new Porsche design mobile hard drive. This is an external hard drive. This is their 2 terabyte version that is equipped with a USB Type-C connector, so it is a little bit more modern on its connectivity than other drives out there might be, and it's also designed by the Porsche Design Studio, and it's all made out of metal with some very sharp edges on it too. Now I do want to mention, in the interest of full disclosure, this came in through LaCie free of charge, and we'll be using this on the channel to store all the video that we've been accumulating here producing content. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is reviewing this video before it is posted, and nobody is paying for this review either. So let's get into the hardware here. There isn't much to look at, actually. You've got this nice metal casing here, again, kind of sharp edges on the side of it, and the USB Type-C connector for plugging it into your computer. What you do get in the box are 2 cables, so you will get the USB Type-C to USB 3.0 connector here, as well as a USB Type-C to Type-C connector. So if you have a newer MacBook or some of the other PCs now that are coming equipped with these USB Type-C cables, which are reversible, you can plug them in either upside down or right side up. It doesn't matter. You can just pop them in with the cable here included and get going from there. So it was nice to see those included in the box. And you get a 2-year warranty on it as well. Now, they are pricey, though, and you're kind of paying for this fancy casing. So this 2 terabyte version is $150, and the 1 terabyte version will set you back around $110 or so, I believe is the price tag right now on Amazon. So not the most affordable drive out there, but if you want something that looks nice, I suppose this is probably a good way to go. Now let's take a look at its performance and see how it stacks up against other less expensive drives. And the performance out of the drive is about where I'd expect a mechanical drive to be. We're seeing speeds anywhere from 120 to 130 megabytes per second on both the writes and the reads. This is via USB 3.0. It supports the slower of the 2 USB 3.1 standards now, because this is a spinning drive. It doesn't need much more than the 5 gigabits per second that the first gen of USB 3.1 provides, so you won't see anything crazy fast out of this. But again, as a mechanical drive, it's not bad, but you can get the same speed and the same capacity or greater for less money with other drives, but you won't get this really nice fancy packaging and the USB Type-C connector all the time on those drives. So you really are paying for really the exterior accoutrements here, maybe a little bit better warranty. It's got a 2-year warranty versus a 1-year warranty, but drive performance is about where you'd see other spinning hard drives go. So if you are just after performance, you could certainly do better for less money. The software polish on this is a little bit nicer also. So when you first get it and plug it in, it's not just already formatted. There's a piece of software that you run to tell it what kind of computer you plan to use it with. You can split the partitions up a certain way also if you want to do that. So it does have a nice onboarding function for people that aren't so technically savvy. It's probably a good entry point there. But for those of us who just want a drive that works, you may not want all that software polish anyhow. So again, I think you will do better, or maybe at least on the performance side, by paying less. But if you want something nice and easy to get going with, this one's certainly worth taking a look at. This is Lon.TV, and thanks for watching. This channel is brought to you by my Patreon supporters. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to Lon.TV/Patreon to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit Lon.TV/S.